What attracted me to Mandurah was that the territory is a retirement lifestyle hotspot. Retirees, have properties, they're less mobile, they're unable to or get on their roofs and clean gutters. So it's also densely populated as well. So a lot of people in the one area means there's less travel time between jobs. There is actually a lot of rental properties in Mandurah too. So it's been great I get a lot of real estate agent work, servicing, rental properties. We do a fair bit of work around the CBD, and that was off the back of one particular job. And I think from there, we actually accumulated quite a few other jobs because we're so visible. Gutter-Vac has got huge potential. Last year, even during the COVID crisis, that was our busiest year that we've had. There's actually add-on services that you can provide along with the gutter cleaning as well. So it's up to you whether you want to pursue those, but there's so much scope there for that. To whoever buys Gutter-Vac Mandurah, congratulations. That's a brilliant choice. The potential there is huge, and look, I'm absolutely certain that you're going to